checking out the heart of Overland Park. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, sharing another one of our Kansas City favorites. Now, this downtown area has grown into a modern, vibrant community while maintaining its charming past small town flavor. There are actually over 300 locally owned businesses, and some of those are restaurants right here in downtown Overland Park. Now, surrounded by Overland Park, neighborhoods, apartments, condos, all adding a vibrant lifestyle, allowing walkable distance to these restaurants, arts, and farmers market. The farmers market has actually been here over 35 years and helping provide fresh produce that's locally grown and also supporting our community. So go ahead, take a minute to note on your calendar a time to experience downtown Overland Park. And don't forget to subscribe and catch our next Kansas City favorite experience.